Motions of the earth. Rotation. Turning of an object around itself about a certain imaginary line is called rotation. Number 2, revolution. Cycling of the earth around the sun is called as revolution of the earth. The imaginary line around which an object rotates is called its axis of rotation. Example, spinning of top, rotation of a car wheel, rotation of earth. Earth's axis of rotation is not vertical like the plumb line, but it makes certain angle to the plumb line. Hence, we say Earth's axis is inclined. Earth's axis of rotation passes through the center of the Earth and intersects the Earth's surface at north and south locations. The intersection points are called as North Pole and the South Pole. An imaginary circle around the surface of the earth exactly in between North Pole and the South Pole is called as equator. As the earth rotates, its different parts come into light of the sun successively and also turn away from the sun in the same order. Effects of rotation of earth. Number 1, sunrise and sunset. Number 2, the time taken by the earth to complete one rotation is called as a day. A whole day consists of daytime and nighttime. A day is divided into 24 parts and each part is termed as an hour. Effects of revolution of the earth. Cycling of the earth around the sun is called revolution. The time taken by the earth to complete one revolution is called 1 year. 1 year is equal to 365 days and 6 hours. Gregorian calendar is considered to have 365 days, that is 6 hours less in every year. To compensate the time loss of 6 hours, after every 4 years, an extra day is added to the month of February, making it 29 days instead of 28 days. Such a year, which is having 29 days in the month of February and a year of total days 366, is called as a leap year. More effects of revolution of earth. You can see Ritu chakras and unequal length of days and nights. Between 22nd March and 23rd September in the northern hemisphere, days are longer and nights are shorter. That is summer season in the northern hemisphere, while southern hemisphere days are shorter and nights are longer. It faces winter season during 22nd March and 23rd September. While the opposite things happen during 23rd September and 22nd March, the southern hemisphere faces summer season while the northern hemisphere faces the winter season. Ritu Chakra. The first is Basant Ritu in Hindi, which is known as spring in English. Then comes the summer season, that is Grishma Ritu. After that comes the monsoon. Monsoon means Varsha, Varsha Ritu. Then comes the Sarad Ritu, that is the autumn season. Then Hemant Ritu, that is pre-winter season. And finally, the Sheet Ritu, that is the winter season.